It's all the start of your days and for 4 or 5 minutes. Yeah, something like that.
No.
Yeah, just like I get drunk. Yeah, that's not it. Or you just come up with it. Like in talking to like start talking jerk and stuff. It's just essentially like that's the we talk about the 80s and 20s. It's on the start of your days.